Okay, well, I've always had a rule that I don't meet people anywhere because I want them to see how my dogs are raised and how the puppies are raised, their environment and stuff. But little Sunshine here, her mommy's driving all the way from Florida to come get her. And we have a big blizzard coming, 11 inches, so we are going to drive down to southern Minnesota, northern Iowa to meet her so she don't have to drive in the snow. So you're going to meet your new mommy soon. What do you think of that? You gonna give her that many kisses too? Alright. Well, too bad I didn't have the camera with me. We stopped at a McDonald's because Zelda had to pee. And husband ran in to go potty. Zelda went potty. And then we went back to the truck and husband locked us out of the truck. So I snuck Zelda Sunshine here into the bathroom, and I had to potty with her on my lap. Huh? Did I potty with you on my lap? And I didn't want all they had was the air dryer, and I didn't want that to freak her out when I dried my hands, so I dried my hands with toilet paper. Thank you, husband.
I'm eating. Well, yeah, you're mad at me because I let you out, because I kept you outside. Are you mad at me? Have kisses? Too late.
she said, "What's this?" Rather have her bug you than bug me.
Yeah, see, she's not mad at me because I got a burger in my mouth.
Say, I might like McDonald's. I didn't get you no McDonald's. Hey, stop ripping that bag.
What is it, Zelda? Do you want some of that burger?
You might get diarrhea. You have too long of a drive to be getting diarrhea.
Hi. Thank you so much for doing this.
Okay.
Hey, baby, you're real.
Hi.
Hi.
Is this your new mommy?
Are you ready to go be in Florida?
She's shivering right now. She says, "Yeah, let's be there now."
Let's do it. Okay. I'm sitting on this blanket to keep it nice and warm. Goodness.
Okay, let me get some paper.
Okay. Oh, she's. Hey, baby. We got nice heated seats for you, okay? She's so pretty.